Jai Shri Ram. Namaskaram all. According to calculated as per North America, USA, longitude and latitude, here is the 2025 April festival dates. April 5th, Shri Ramanavami. April 8th, Kamada Ekadashi. April 10th, Phanguni Uttaram. April 12th, Chaitra Purnima, full moon day. April 13th, Tamil New Year and Oriya New Year also. April 14th, Vishu, Kerala New Year and Bengali New Year also. April 23rd, Varuthini Ekadashi and Vallabhacharya Jayanti. April 27th, Amavasya Tarpanam. April 29th, Akshaya Tritiya, Basava Jayanti, Parashurama Jayanti also. Dear devotees, these are the 2025 April festival dates. Please don't get confused with India Panchangam. And thank you all for understanding. Shri Sita Rama blessings to you all. Jai Shri Ram.